Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Monster Ultra Golden Pineapple. Pineapple. Now it's been a long time since I had Monster, so I'm really excited to taste this boomer beverage. But not just boomer beverage, also the Zoomers are drinking this. So let's take a look at the design first. Look. It has a pattern. Not many drinks have a pattern, but Monster, they have a pattern. Can you hear it? So it's golden color, as the name suggests, because it's golden pineapple. And it has this modern graffiti style of nice design. And this one is also sugar-free, so that's good. Sugar-free, good. Because sugar, bad. And it has L-carnitine. What is L-carnitine? Sounds like some chemicals. But yeah, let's go ahead and taste it up. Monster Ultra ASMR opening. Smell? Pineapple. And look at this glass. Look at this glass. Fancy. We only do fancy stuff here on the Consumer Goods Expert channel. Let's go. Look at the color. Look at the color. It's also golden. It's like it kind of looks like but yeah, I'm not gonna say it. Okay. Anyway, let's continue to the tasting section of this video. So, pineapple smell. What about the flavor? Let's taste it. Oh, so much bubbles. It's sparkling in my mouth. Fresh pineapple flavor. How did they make it so sweet, even though there's no sugar at all? Like, they did some magic here. How is this possible? It tastes so sweet, yet zero sugar. How is this possible? Monster, please explain, how did you make this so sweet without any sugar? According to ancient Greek legend, the nectar of ambrosia gave immortality to all who drank it. Immortality, that's good. Unfortunately, this fruit of the gods is just a myth. Okay, it wasn't the case. But we were inspired to create ultra golden pineapple as close as we can to get for the mortals. With zero sugar, easy drinking ultra has the heavenly fresh flavor of biting into perfectly ripened golden pineapple. While we can't promise immortality, a Monster Energy Ultra Golden Pineapple will make you ready for whatever throws you. Go for the gold. I agree with this message. This is the nectar of the gods. I drink many energy drinks, but this, it's on the top of the list. It creates some foam on the top. That's interesting. I feel refreshed now. I feel energized. Monster Golden Pineapple. Highly recommend if you need energy drink. Nice design, good flavor, and of course zero sugar. And the bubbles in this drink also perfect amount. Not too little, not too much. It's perfect. This figure here also recommends this Monster Ultra. Thank you for holding my microphone. You did a great job. Thank you. I think this deserves 10 out of 10. Perfect energy drink. Yeah, leave a comment below if you tried it or not. And also, as always, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next Consumer Goods Reviews. Thanks for watching. Cut the video already, man.